Let us solve this one next. Cosec x equals minus 2. Now how do we go about solving this one? Once again, cosec x equals minus 1 by 2 implies that sin x will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Implies sin x will be equal to minus 1 by 2. Now once you are aware of this, draw a quadrant. Okay. Sin x equals 1 by 2 will be at what angle x? Please observe, we are considering 1 by 2, not minus 1 by 2. First, let's find the angle in the first quadrant. Sin x equals 1 by 2 is pretty simple. X will be equal to pi by 6. Okay, in the first quadrant, this angle will be pi by 6. Now, you started with a 0. This is pi. This is 2 pi after that, right? And this is all sine, tan, cos. The question arises that sin x will be negative in which quadrants? Sin x will be negative in, as you may observe, these two, sine will be positive in this quadrant and in this quadrant. Now what angle am I looking at? For sin x equals minus half, I am looking at this angle pi by 6 and this angle pi by 6. I am looking at these angles. But then angles are not measured from pi or 2 pi. Angles have to be measured anti-clockwise from this. What is this angle equal to? Please observe, this is pi and you add a pi by 6. This is pi plus pi by 6, which is 7 pi by 6. And you also have this angle. Starting from 0 to this will be 2 pi minus pi by 6. This is 2 pi minus pi by 6. This is 11 pi by 6. Please observe that. That's the other angle. 11 pi by 6. As you can observe using these ideas. Simple ideas? Yes. Okay, so we are not worried about the minus sign initially. No, we are not worried about the minus sign initially. We just found this angle pi by 6 first of all, and then we added pi by 6 to pi. We subtracted pi by 6 from 2 pi depending upon the quadrant in which you want to find the values, right? So since sin x is negative in the third and fourth quadrants, we chose those angles, right? So sin x equals minus half. With this, we know that sine of 7 pi by 6. Now, once we have solved that much in rough, right? So, this will be sine of pi plus pi by 6, and by the concepts of aligned angles, sine of pi plus theta is minus sine theta. This is minus 1 by 2. What about the other angle? Also, sine of 11 pi by 6 can be written as sine of 2 pi minus pi by 6. Okay, this is sine of 2 pi minus 6, which is sine of 2 pi minus theta. Sine of 2 pi minus theta is minus sine theta, which is minus 1 by 2. And yes, these give me the principal solutions. Therefore, principal solutions of this question. X equals 7 pi by 6, comma 11 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6. That's the answer for this question in case of principal solutions. What next? Let's try to find the general solution as well. General solution would be, for general solution, I'll once again use sine. Sin x equals minus 1 by 2, which is equal to sine 7 pi by 6, as you can observe from here, right? Once you're okay with this, sin x equals sin theta. What will be the value of x? X will be n pi plus minus 1 power n times theta, where n belongs to integer. So therefore, x equals n pi plus minus 1 power n times 7 pi by 6, where n belongs to any integer. This is what you have, right? That's the final answer for this question over here.